Welcome to channel. Don't forget subscribe and press the bell icon for more amazing videos. You need to hear this if you're a website owner. Websites are the face of businesses, organizations, and even individuals. However, with this increased reliance on websites comes increased vulnerability to cyber attacks. Hackers are constantly finding new ways to exploit weaknesses in websites to steal data, spread malware, and disrupt operations. Imagine a scenario where a hacker gains access to your website's database. They could steal sensitive customer information such as credit card numbers, passwords, and personal details. This could lead to financial losses for your customers and irreparable damage to your reputation. By implementing strong security measures, you are demonstrating to your users that you take their privacy and security seriously. Regular website vulnerability scanning is a crucial aspect of website security. It allows you to identify and fix security holes before attackers can exploit them. The internet offers incredible opportunities, but also exposes us to a constantly evolving landscape of cyber threats. Cybercriminals are often motivated by financial gain. They target websites to steal sensitive data, such as credit card information, login credentials, and proprietary business information. This data can be sold on the black market or used to commit identity theft and financial fraud. Another common threat is website defacement. Hackers gain access to a website and alter its content, often replacing it with their own messages or images. Hacktivists, driven by ideological or political motives, may target websites to spread their message or disrupt services. Their attacks can range from website defacement to distributed denial of service or DDoS attacks. Understanding the different types of threats and the motivations behind them is essential for developing a comprehensive website security strategy. Website vulnerabilities are weaknesses in a website's code, configuration, or design that attackers can exploit. One of the most common web vulnerabilities is SQL injection, or SQLI. This attack targets websites that use SQL databases to store data. By injecting malicious SQL code into a website's input fields, attackers can trick the database into revealing sensitive information or even modifying the database itself. Cross-site scripting, or XSS, is another prevalent vulnerability that allows attackers to inject malicious scripts into web pages viewed by other users. These scripts can then steal cookies, hijack user sessions, or redirect users to malicious websites. Broken authentication and session management vulnerabilities can allow attackers to gain unauthorized access to user accounts. Security misconfigurations, such as using default settings or not patching known vulnerabilities, can also create opportunities for attackers. These misconfigurations can weaken a website's overall security posture. Understanding these common web vulnerabilities is crucial for effectively scanning and securing your website. Fortunately, a wide range of tools is available to help website owners and security professionals identify and mitigate these vulnerabilities. These tools automate the process of scanning websites for known weaknesses, making it easier to find and fix security holes before attackers can exploit them. Vulnerability scanners work by crawling through a website's pages and analyzing its code, configuration, and responses to various requests. They use a database of known vulnerabilities to identify potential weaknesses and provide reports that highlight the severity of each vulnerability and offer recommendations for remediation. Open-source tools, such as OWASP, ZAP, and Nikto, are freely available and offer a good starting point for website owners and security enthusiasts. These tools provide a wide range of features and can be customized to meet specific needs. Section 5. OWASP ZAP, a deep dive into a powerful free tool. OWASP ZAP, or Z-Attack Proxy, is a free open-source web application security scanner maintained and developed by the Open Web Application Security Project, or OWASP. It's a powerful and versatile tool that both security professionals and developers can use to identify and exploit vulnerabilities in web applications. One of the key features of OWASP ZAP is its ease of use. The user interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it accessible to users of all skill levels. Despite its user-friendliness, ZAP is a powerful tool with a wide range of features that can be used to perform comprehensive security testing. ZAP can be used in various ways, including as an intercepting proxy, a vulnerability scanner, and a fuzzer. As a vulnerability scanner, Zap can automatically crawl through your web application, identifying potential vulnerabilities such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and broken authentication. Step-by-step scanning with OWASP Zap, a practical guide. Let's walk through using OWASP Zap to scan a website for vulnerabilities. Step 1. Installation and setup. Download and install OWASP Zap. Once installed, launch the application. Step 2. Configure your browser to use Zap as its proxy. Step 3. Spidering the target website. Provide Zap with the URL. Zap Spider will crawl the website, mapping its structure. Step 4. Active scanning. Initiate an active scan to test for vulnerabilities. Step 5. Analyzing the results. Review the detailed report of findings. Section 7. Burp Suite, a professional's choice for robust testing. While OWASP Zap is an excellent tool for beginners and those looking for a free and open-source solution, Burp Suite is a more advanced web vulnerability scanner that is widely used by security professionals. Developed by Portswigger, Burp Suite offers a comprehensive set of tools for testing web applications, making it a popular choice for penetration testers and security researchers. Burp Suite is available in both free and paid versions. The free version, known as Burp Suite Community Edition, provides a solid set of tools for basic web application testing. However, the paid version, Burp Suite Professional, offers a more extensive range of features, including advanced scanning options, automated exploitation tools, and support for custom extensions. The tool can be customized to meet the specific needs of different users and testing environments. Burp Suite also supports a wide range of extensions, which are add-ons that can be used to extend the tool's functionality. Section 8. Interpreting scan results. Understanding the findings. Once you have completed a website vulnerability scan, the next step is to understand the results. Vulnerability scanners typically generate reports that list the identified vulnerabilities, their severity levels, and recommendations for remediation. The severity level of a vulnerability indicates the potential impact it could have on your website and its users. Vulnerabilities are typically categorized into different severity levels, such as critical, high, medium, and low. Critical vulnerabilities are those that could allow an attacker to take complete control of your website or steal sensitive data. High-severity vulnerabilities could allow an attacker to gain partial control of your website or steal sensitive data. It is essential to prioritize the remediation of vulnerabilities based on their severity levels. Section 9. Beyond automated scans, manual testing and penetration testing. While automated vulnerability scanners are valuable tools for identifying common web vulnerabilities, they are not a silver bullet. Automated scanners rely on a database of known vulnerabilities and may not be able to detect new or unknown vulnerabilities. Manual testing involves manually reviewing the website's code, configuration, and functionality to identify potential vulnerabilities. Penetration testing takes manual testing a step further by simulating real-world attacks to assess the effectiveness of a website's security controls. By combining automated scans with manual testing and penetration testing, you can gain a more comprehensive understanding of your website's security posture. Section 10. Real-world examples, high-profile website breaches. In 2011, Sony PlayStation Network suffered a massive data breach that resulted in the theft of personal information, including names, addresses, and credit card details of millions of users. The breach was attributed to a combination of SQL injection and poor security practices. In 2017, Equifax announced a data breach that exposed the personal information of over 147 million people. These high-profile website breaches highlight the importance of website security and the devastating consequences that can result from inadequate security measures. Section 11. Conclusion. Making website security an ongoing priority. Website security is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process that requires constant vigilance and adaptation. Regular website vulnerability scanning is an essential aspect of this ongoing process. By regularly scanning your website for vulnerabilities, you can identify and fix security holes before attackers can exploit them. This proactive approach to security can help protect your website, your users, and your reputation from the potentially devastating consequences of cyber attacks. By fostering a culture of security awareness, you can create a more secure online environment for everyone. In this chapter, we will guide you through the process of scanning any website for vulnerabilities. We'll cover the tools you need, the steps to follow, and best practices to ensure a thorough scan. By the end of this chapter, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to identify and address potential security issues on any website. Let's start with the tools. There are various vulnerability scanners available, both free and paid, that can help you identify weaknesses in your website security. Some popular options include OWASP, ZAP, Nessus, and Acunetics. Make sure to choose a tool that fits your specific needs and budget. Next, we'll walk you through the steps to perform a scan. First, you'll need to install and configure your chosen tool. Then, you'll run the scan by entering your website's URL. The tool will analyze your site and generate a report detailing any vulnerabilities it finds. Finally, we'll discuss best practices for conducting scans. Regularly schedule scans to ensure your website remains secure, and always follow up on any vulnerabilities identified by the scanner. Keep your software and plugins up to date, and consider implementing additional security measures such as firewalls and intrusion detection systems. By following these steps and best practices, you can proactively protect your website from cyber threats and create a safer online environment for your users.